Hi friends, let's begin with the overview of C programming. So let's start with the introduction to C. So what is a C? See, in programming languages there are two types of language. There are two types of languages, that is high level language and a low level language. Then C belongs to the high level programming language. High level programming language means what? It is an user understandable programming language, whereas low level language is machine understandable programming language. But when C is a high level language, this high level language will also be later converted into the machine understandable, that is low level language, and using what? Using the C compilers it will be converted. Next is, it is both general purpose and specific purpose programming language. So what is a general purpose programming language? General purpose means C language can be used to develop a simple, that is general purpose programs. For example, it can be a graphic package, or it can be a spreadsheet programs, or it can be an office automation. For any general purpose programs can be written using the C, as well as for specific purpose also. Specific purpose means what? Specific purpose means, for example, we can say that specifically only for we can system softwares. Example, system softwares could be, for example, operating systems or linkers, loaders, compilers. These are what? Specific purpose softwares. Next is, it was developed at Bell and T Laboratories, USA in the year 1972. So, in the C language, it was developed at Bell and T Laboratories in the US in the year 1972, and it was developed, and the person behind this was Dennis Ritchie, and so Dennis Ritchie is known as the father of C programming language. Now next, let us move on to the characteristics of C. What are the important characteristics of C? I have just noted down the important ones. That is, C is a general purpose programming language. General purpose programming language means, where I have also explained in the previous slide. General means for any programs can be written using the C. For example, office automation. C is a structured programming language. Structured means what? Well organized. It means that C has a set of standard rules, and those rules needs to be followed for writing the C program. Then only C becomes a structured programming language. Next is, it helps in the development of system software. System software means what? The softwares which are used to run the systems. So I already explained the system programs. Examples for system programs can be operating system, linkers, loaders, compilers, and so on. Next is, it has a rich set of operations. What is rich set of operations? Operations can be like arithmetic operation, logical operations, relational operations, and so on. So C supports all these set of operations, and we will see regarding these operations in the next upcoming videos. Next, C also supports a rich set of data types. Data types means what? The type of the data that is used in the program. So about the data types also in details we will see in the next videos. Portability. Portability means what? Portability means where it can be carried easily from one place to another. Similarly here, the C program can be run on different machines with less modification or with no modifications are required. So we can it means what? We can, it is compatible. C is compatible, so it can run on different machines also. Next is, it has the ability to extend itself by adding functions to its library. It means C can be extended using the functions. These functions are user defined functions. Even we users also can write the functions, and those functions can be added into the library, and from the library we can access those functions whenever required, but we have to include it in the program. Next, we will move on to the applications of C. So what are the applications of C? C is used to develop the system as well as application software. Some of the system and the application softwares are listed below. So what are those system software? System softwares, I already explained this. System softwares are operating systems, interpreters, compilers, assemblers, editors, loaders and linkers. And application software. Application softwares are database system, word processor, spreadsheet, office automation tools, CAD/CAM applications, graphic packages and so on. So thank you friends. We will continue the session of the overview of C program in the next upcoming video. So keep watching for the next updates.